Your limitation is your imagination. I am Ritu Singh, your science teacher, and today we will revise our two chapters, chapter 3 and chapter 4. First, we will revise chapter 3. We have picked a topic from chapter 3 which is very important, which is plastic. Okay. So, as we already know that plastic is really very harmful for our environment. As we bring something in plastic bag from market and we throw plastic bags here and there. Yes, we do. Don't say that we do not throw plastic bags here and there, because we do. Okay, because we are who spread this dirt everywhere. Okay, so first of all, stop spreading this dirt everywhere. Okay, so do not throw these plastic bags everywhere. Okay, so let's move on. Whenever we throw these plastic bags here and there, usually animals swallow those plastic bags and die because of this, because of these plastic bags only. Okay, so as we know that this plastic bag or plastics are very harmful for our environment, because plastics do not decompose easily. Plastics take thousands of years to decompose. Okay, so or these plastics are not even biodegradable. These are non-biodegradable. So that's why whenever they go somewhere or they mix with anything, they pollute that thing. Like if these plastic bags will mix with water, these plastic bags will pollute that water. If we'll try to burn these plastic bags will pollute our air. When we'll try to throw these plastic bags here and there, so these plastic bags will pollute our soil also. So whenever we'll throw plastic bags wherever, these plastic bags will pollute our environment. Okay, in many ways. So first of all, we should reduce the use of plastics. Okay, and moving on to the next topic. Our next topic is displacement reaction. As you can see, here we have a nail of iron and here we have a solution which is copper sulfate. Okay, and in next beaker you can see that here we have a solution, because this nail is of iron. It can be shown with this Fe. Okay, Fe means iron. So here we have notice that here we have a nail of iron and copper sulfate solution, and here we will see that iron will replace copper. Iron will take away this sulfate from copper and will prepare a solution with this sulfate. So this is ferrous sulfate or iron sulfate. Okay, and this copper will cover this iron nail. Okay, so we can say that a more reactive metal can replace a less reactive metal, because iron and copper, these both are metals. So here we can say that a more reactive metal can replace a less reactive metal, because here iron took sulfur away from copper. Okay, so students, this is for today. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.